For decades, humanity has slumbered, lulled into a deep sleep by the rhythms of routine, distractions of materialism, and the comforting predictability of the familiar. But as we approach 2025, something profound is stirring in the depths of the collective consciousness, and we must prepare. It's as if an unseen alarm clock is ringing, gentle yet insistent, urging the world to awaken. Can you feel it? A subtle but undeniable shift, a powerful pull away from the superficial and towards something far more profound. For the first time in generations, people are questioning the old paradigms that have governed their lives. Questions that truly matter about purpose, connection, and the mysteries of existence are surfacing. Spirituality, once confined to the realms of mystics and monks, is now becoming a subject of mainstream curiosity. Practices like energy healing, once dismissed as fringe, are finding their way into everyday conversations. Mindfulness apps, meditation retreats, and discussions about ancient wisdom have permeated modern life, helping millions reconnect with the present moment. All of this points to one undeniable truth. 2025 is shaping up to be a tipping point. Humanity, long tethered to old ways of thinking, is beginning to break free. The relentless chase for material wealth, status, and distraction is losing its grip. The awakening isn't just coming, it's here. And the question is, where do you stand? Are you already part of this great shift? Or will 2025 be the year you finally wake up? For decades, spirituality was whispered about in secret, hidden in the shadows of rigid systems and dogma. Those who sought answers beyond the tangible often faced ridicule or isolation. But times are changing. People are stepping outside the boundaries they were born into, daring to explore the unknown. Energy work, intuition, and ancient wisdom are no longer niche topics. They are becoming part of the mainstream conversation, discussed at dinner tables, on podcasts, and across social media platforms. Perhaps you've noticed it too. Maybe someone you know, someone who once scoffed at spiritual ideas, is now curious, asking questions they never would have before. This is the beauty of the awakening. It's not about exclusion or division. It's about building bridges. Those questions, no matter how awkward or skeptical they may seem, are an opening. They are an invitation to connect, to guide, and to welcome others into a deeper understanding. If someone who once doubted your spiritual path is now seeking your perspective, see it as a gift. This is not the time to be offended or dismissive. It's a chance to share, to plant seeds of awareness, and to help others find their way. The rise of spiritual curiosity is a testament to the interconnectedness of our journeys. And as 2025 unfolds, it's an opportunity to integrate, to welcome even the most skeptical into a collective awakening. This rising tide of curiosity is only the beginning. Among those awakening are individuals uniquely attuned to this shift, stepping forward as beacons of light in a chaotic world. Often called the chosen ones, they are not chosen by some external force, but by their own decision to answer the call. And here's the truth. Anyone can be a chosen one. It's not about lineage, privilege, or mystic birthright. It's about choice. Do you feel it, that quiet but persistent call to guide, to lead, to help others navigate the turbulence of this time? Perhaps you've noticed people gravitating toward you, seeking comfort, clarity, or wisdom. They may not articulate it, but they are drawn to your energy, sensing in you a steadiness they yearn for. This isn't a coincidence. It's a sign that you've been preparing for this moment, consciously or unconsciously. And in 2025, your role is more important than ever. The world is waking up, but the process is far from smooth. Change always brings resistance, fear, and confusion. That's where the chosen ones come in, to anchor the collective energy, to hold the light when the darkness feels overwhelming. So ask yourself, Have you felt the weight of this responsibility? Have you noticed how the universe seems to be aligning events and encounters to prepare you for what lies ahead? This is your moment. The awakening isn't just a phenomenon, it's a call to action. As 2025 approaches, something extraordinary is happening. Hidden within each of us are dormant gifts, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Perhaps you've already experienced glimpses of these abilities, moments of intuitive clarity, bursts of creativity that feel otherworldly, or a sense of knowing that defies logic. These are not coincidences. They are the first stirrings of your potential, awakening in response to the spiritual energy surging across the planet. Healing hands, heightened intuition, the ability to inspire transformation in others, these are not fantasies, they are your birthright. And in 2025, these gifts will awaken in ways we have never seen before. But these abilities are not just for personal growth, they are tools meant to help you fulfill your role in this great shift. Imagine being able to ease someone's pain with a touch, or to offer words that shift their perspective in an instant. These are the miracles we are capable of, and they are within reach. Yet this awakening is not without its challenges. Transformation, by its very nature, is disruptive. Old systems and beliefs must crumble to make way for the new. This is the storm before the dawn. You may feel this chaos in your personal life, relationships shaking, emotions flaring, or a deep sense of uncertainty about the future. But remember, the storm is not the end, it's the clearing. Think of a forest fire. Destructive as it may seem, it clears the way for new growth. The same is true on a planetary scale. Outdated structures, limiting beliefs, and old energies are being dismantled to make space for what is coming. In times like these, grounding yourself is crucial. Deepen your spiritual practices, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature. Most importantly, connect with like-minded individuals who remind you that you are not alone in this storm. Even amidst the chaos, there is an undeniable truth. Those who have stepped into their purpose are not alone. Divine protection surrounds them. This doesn't mean life will be without challenges. It means you have everything you need to overcome them. Have you noticed how, when you surrender to the flow, obstacles seem to dissolve or transform into opportunities? These moments of synchronicity, these unexplainable alignments, are not accidents. They are signs of divine support guiding you on your path. As 2025 unfolds, the illusion of separation is crumbling. For too long, humanity has lived divided by borders, differences, and fear. But now, a deeper truth is emerging. We are all connected. This realization is manifesting in profound ways. Strangers are extending kindness without expectation. Communities are forming based on shared values of empathy and compassion. Even online, amidst the noise, spaces of wisdom and hope are growing. This collective awakening is not passive. It's an active, conscious effort to create a world where decisions are guided by love rather than fear. Imagine a world where governments prioritize empathy, businesses align with ethical values, and individuals choose connection over competition. This is the paradigm we are stepping into, and every act of kindness, every choice made from the heart, contributes to this new reality. But let's not sugarcoat it. Every great transformation faces resistance. As the old ways dissolve, fear and division will rise. This is natural. It's a necessary part of evolution. Yet amidst the darkness, the light is unwavering, and those who have answered the call, the chosen ones, will serve as anchors, holding space for the collective to heal and grow. 2025 isn't just about awakening, it's about creation. For centuries, humanity has been taught to look outward for guidance, support, and salvation. But now, the energy of 2025 is demanding that we turn inward. The power to create the reality we desire has always been within us. Creation is not something that happens to us. It's something we actively do, moment by moment, choice by choice. Every thought, every intention, every action ripples out into the world. You are already a creator. The question is, what are you creating? Have you noticed how certain moments seem to bend to your will when you are clear about what you want? This is not magic. It's your creative energy in action. And in 2025, this energy will be amplified. With great power comes great responsibility. Your creations influence not just your life, but the collective. Every time you choose love over fear, alignment over distraction, you shape the new earth. So what will you create in 2025? Will it be a life of alignment, a ripple of change, or a movement that inspires others? This is the year to dream boldly, act courageously, and trust that the universe is ready to meet you halfway. If you want to succeed in 2025, your personal goals should focus on elevating your spirit to the highest state of consciousness. To do so, start here. In this next video, we uncover the 7 deadliest habits that destroy your inner light and how to correct them to finally let your consciousness awaken. Thank you for watching.